Welcome to Weekly ZAPNEWS, your fast, funny rundown of everything happening in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. Investors and tech leaders are now nervously whispering, is the AI bubble about to burst? After a streak of down days in AI-related stocks and warnings from industry insiders that valuations are getting a little too frothy. The concern is that if the AI boom cools off quickly, it could reshape global tech dominance. When AI stock sentiment shifts faster than a neural net on espresso, financial platforms can't afford broken releases. ZAPTEST codeless test automation keeps trading, analytics, and investor-facing apps stable without forcing teams to rewrite tests every time the market sneezes. If volatility is inevitable, broken software doesn't have to be. This AI bubble talk sounds like hearing your mom say, "I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed." Way worse than a burst balloon. Google is expanding its AI push across India, focusing on healthcare, agriculture, and local innovation. The goal is to build AI that actually understands regional needs instead of one giant model guessing wildly and hoping for the best. It's Google realizing that one-size-fits-all AI is like ordering food for the entire internet with a single DoorDash order.
DoorDash is not a job.
Google's expansion plan is like your friend trying to help clean your apartment. Ends up rearranging your furniture and asking for wireless access. Vectra AI announced a new unified security framework that promises to catch hybrid attacks across prevention, detection, response, and resilience. A full-stack shield for a world where threats move faster than your internet buffer. With cyber attacks getting cleverer and way more relentless than that boss who emails at midnight.
Why are you the way that you are?
AI securing networks now. Next thing you know, it'll be taking over your inbox and deleting emails from your ex. Samsung unveiled its new AI-powered home appliances lineup. From smart fridges that manage food to ovens that basically judge your cooking skills. All tied together via the SmartThings app. This AI living room of the future isn't just about convenience. It's about surveillance-level insights into your midnight snack habits. My fridge now judges me for eating ice cream at 2 a.m. I miss the good old days when only the scale did that. That's all for today. Before the GPUs start complaining, stick around and check out the ZAPTEST use cases in action. See you next week with more news. Be happy and let's zap.